Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use System Restore on Windows 10. Let's see how to do this. System Restore on Windows 10 allows you to send your PC back in time to undo changes that may be causing problems. In this Windows 10 guide, we will walk you through the steps to configure and use System Restore to undo changes that may be harming your device. We will see how to enable System Restore, how to create a System Restore point, and how to undo changes with System Restore. First, how to enable System Restore. On Windows 10, System Restore is turned off by default. But you can use the following steps to enable it. Open Start, search for Create a Restore Point. And click the result System Properties. Under the Protection Settings, select the main system drive, which is C drive, and click the Configure button. Select the Turn on System Protection under Restore Settings. Click Apply, then OK. Once you have completed these steps, a new restore point will be created automatically when an important system change occurs, such as before an installation of a Windows 10 update. Now we will see how to create a System Restore point manually. Again, open Start, search for Create a Restore Point, and click the result System Properties. Under Protection Settings, select the main system drive and click the Create button under Configure. Enter a description to identify the restore point. I am putting a random date to identify the restore point. Click Create. Now the restore point is created successfully. Click on Close. If you want to check the restore point you just created, click on System Restore. Click Next. And you can find the newly created System Restore point. If something wrong happens while modifying the registry or installing a new app or driver, you can use the steps to use the restore point to undo the changes. Now we will see how to undo changes with System Restore. Open Start, search for Create a Restore Point, and click the result System Properties. Under System Restore section, click on System Restore. Click Next. Select the most recent known working restore point that will help you to fix the current problem. You may have more than one restore point in the list. Click Next. In this point, you have to confirm your restore point. If you click on Finish, then your device will go back in time to a previous state where everything was working correctly. That's how you can use System Restore on Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.